Hi friends, this video shows how to use LuvLap Food and Fruit Silicone Nibbler. It is 100% BPA free and it has leak-proof safety lock. Using this product, child would be able to nibble fruits and vegetables. First, we have to wash it. So we have to wash it using a boiling water like this. Then clean it. Then we have to assemble it and fill with fruits or vegetables. So here I am using mango. We can fill fruits like this, then close it. So this is a safety lock. We can close it like this. See, using this product we can introduce fruits and vegetables to child. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.